guys, it's Gracie with WTI. Do you know if the water that you're drinking is actually clean and healthy for you? Well, we didn't know either, and that's why we bought this water testing kit from VARIFY, because we recently just moved into an older house with well water, and I wanted to test the quality of the water before we actually started drinking it. So the reason I chose VARIFY was because it comes with 100 test strips and 2 bacteria test bottles. And each of these strips tests for 16 different parameters, from the pH level to iron to lead, nitrates, zinc, fluoride, alkalinity, and just so much more. All you do is just fill this tube with water, dip the strip into the water for at least 2 seconds, shake off the excess water, and then just compare the results to the back of the bottle. It's that easy. So I first tested out our well water, and then I compared it to our filtered water tap. And it was clear when the color started changing that our well water had more sulfate and more hardness to it. I also tested our store-bought 25-gallon bottled water, which showed perfect results. And just for fun, I even took it outdoor and tested the lake water. And let's just say, don't drink out of the lake. And for the bacteria test, I just filled the bottle all the way to the top, shook the bottle for 20 seconds, and then I waited 48 hours to see if there was a color change. And I was so relieved to see that my sample did not turn green. So these test strips have really and truly given me that peace of mind that I needed, knowing that my water is safe and healthy to drink. Plus, it's more convenient than ever to be able to test your water right in the comfort of your own home and have results within just a few seconds. So I could not recommend these enough, but that's just my point of view.